wanted to share with you what actually inspired me to make these videos. I actually have been intending to put out instructional videos for a really long time. But a good friend of mine shared with me that she was unhappy with her posture, really her whole life, she said. And she's also felt and is feeling stuck in her movement part of her life, in her health. I know how foundational, how central it is to have our bodies partnering with us and in healthful order, in harmony. So I was inspired to jump in and help. Start one step at a time, teaching you movements with good technique that are effective, that are foundational, cornerstone movements that will give you a lot of benefits in each one of them. To give you small drops that feel like they're bite-sized, that you can chew off and that you don't feel overwhelming to you. And then as you start to feel the benefit of those movements in your body, in your tissue, in your chemistry, in the detox effect, you're going to want more just naturally. And from those individual movements that I'm dropping each day, each week I'm going to string them together into short routines to start to show you, start to arm you with how to put together a routine, how to design a mini routine that's vigorous but doable, safe and very effective, and something that you can do in your life. And you'd already practiced the individual videos of each routine, of each exercise, and then we just string them together. And of course, there's no right way to do it necessarily. There's just different ways, and it depends on what you're after. But I need your help. Where I need your help is that my creative energy and my knowledge and my experience gets activated when somebody asks a question or when I have a real person to respond to. So I'm asking you to give me feedback. Where do you feel stuck? What issues are you having? Are you feeling pain? Are you feeling injuries? Are you scared to do certain things? Are you scared of moving a certain part of your body? Have you gotten injured in the past doing that? Where do you want help? Do you not understand how to do a certain exercise? Do you have questions about things you've seen online? So any of these things that you ask, then that gives me impetus and a launching point to create content in response to you. And that's my service to the community. Where you at? Huh? No lick in the butt. No lick in the butt. No lick in the butt.